Hi, welcome once again to this channel, and in this video I'll quickly be showing you how to install the Traders Dynamic Index, the TDI, on your device, on your iOS device. In this instance I'll be using my iPhone, so I'll be showing you how to install it on an iPhone or any. You can use the same setup for any iOS device. So basically the TDI, it's an indicator that you can use to spot entries on trades, either on whatever time frame. It's an awesome indicator, I must say, and it's basically a combination of the RSI and some moving averages and the Bollinger Band. So I'm going to show you how to set it up on your device, and in another video I will show you how to interpret and how to use it to get some very good entries on your trade. So without wasting much time, I'll delve into the business of the day. But before I go on, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you also need some more gist, some more topics on forex, it's all on my channel. You can scroll through the videos on the channel. You see a lot of forex content now on the page. Also remember to hit the icon, the bell icon, so you could get notified when I release other videos on forex content. So quickly, let's set up our TDI on an iOS device. So the first thing you want to install, you want to add to your chart, is the RSI. And to install your RSI, you click on the F icon that is directly above on the chart. Click on the F icon and you see your main menu. So hit the main menu and add your RSI. Scroll down until you see your RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index. So now we click on the RSI, and then we have all these properties show up. So we're quickly going to change it or to set it up. So mine had been altered. Mine is not by default because I use RSI at times. So if yours is not in 13, change yours to 13. Your period, change to 13. Apply to close. If yours is not in close, apply to close. And the levels, by default, yours should be in 30 and 70. By default, yours should be that. I'm going to delete this. We don't need it for this discussion. So 30 and 70, those are the two levels you need. Oh, and I forgot. Let's go back. Let's go back and edit this. Make sure you change the color of the RSI to the background color. Now in the chart, my background color is actually white, so you want to change the style to white. If your background is black, change it to black, so you have something like this. And when you're done, you click the done, and then you can see we have, this is our RSI. So what we can see are just the levels, the 70 level and the 30 level. You're not seeing movements, so you should want your RSI to be like this. So having done that, the next step is to add up our moving averages. So the first one which we'll be adding is the 2 moving average. So click on the F icon once again, and under the window indicator 1, where you have the RSI, the relative strength index, that is where you want to add it. You don't want to add the moving averages on your main chart. You want to add it inside your RSI. So let's click on the indicator window 1, and then we're going to see the moving average here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th indicator here. So you click on moving average and then you set it up. Now the first setup is the 2 moving average. So let's change the period to 2. Shift will leave shift at 0. Our apply to, you change your apply to onto the previous indicator data. So have it as this, and then your color, you leave your levels, you change the color to green, and then you save, and then you're done. So you can see here we have this. So this is a 2 moving average. So we have it here. So great. So then we'll go on to the next indicator the next indicator will be adding to the RSI, which is the 7 moving average. So hit the F icon once again, and you click on the indicator window 1, which is where the RSI is. That's where you want to add your next moving average. So we click on that, and then we look for the moving average here. We click on the moving average and change it. Now change your moving average, the setting now for the second one. This is the 7. This is 7. So we change that. We change our period. To 7, and then leave the shift at 0. Then the method, leave it at simple, and then your apply to leave it at previous indicator data, and you should want to change the color to red so you get to distinguish the 2 from the 7. So red, and then you save, and then you're done. So you see it here. So you see this, the red is the 7, while the green is the first one we set up, which was the 2. So on to the next setup. We're going to quickly add up the next indicator, which is the 34 moving the 34 moving average. So same thing, hit the F icon under window indicator 1, you go to your moving average, and then you change it. Change this 7 period, change it to 34, and then you click on the next. Leave your shift, your method, leave it simple, and then apply to your first indicator's data. Unlike the other moving averages, the 34 moving average should be your first indicator data. And then your style, your color, change this to yellow. Change this to yellow. 34, change to yellow. So once we're done, just hit the done, and then boom. So we've inserted all the moving averages that we need for the TDI in the RSI. So one last thing that make up the TDI is the Bollinger Band. So you hit the F icon, and then you hit the indicator window 1, and then you see your Bollinger Bands, and then you set it up. By default, yours won't be like this. I've used it before, that's why it just shows this way. So you should change your period to 34, leave your shift at 0, change your deviation to 1.618, and apply to the first indicator's data, and then make sure it's on color blue. Then you save, and you're going to have it looking like this. So this is your RSI here, right here. This is your TDI, pardon me. So this is your TDI. So I'm going to show you how to use it, how to spot shark fins and all of that good setups for buys and sells using the TDI. So guys, that will be it for this. Kindly ask questions in the comment section if you have any question, and do not hesitate to contact me if you're interested in joining our WhatsApp group. Do not forget to subscribe, to hit that subscribe icon, and also hit the bell icon so you get notified when more videos are released. Thank you very much. Do stay safe, and God bless you.